Welcome to Jafri and Fatima English Medium School, Mahua. Today we are going to discuss Mathematics chapter number 1, Knowing our number, standard 6, exercise 1.1, questions and answers. Student, before starting our session, let's do little small physical and mental exercise. Yes, ready with your rough note, ball pen. Here is the question number 1 of exercise 1.1, standard 6, mathematics. Question 1, fill in the blanks. Student, here first A is there, 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Students, it is very easy to say answer 10, but how this 10 comes and why it is a 10, we should have to check out. Suppose we should have to discuss what is a 1 lakh, how to write 1 lakh. Yes, after 1 we have to add 5 zeros, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Student, we can say ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. This is the place value, and we are putting the comma first 3 numbers and then after every 2 numbers. So from the comma we can read the number very easily. So this is my left side, 1 lakh, but in place of that I want to write 10,000. Student, how to write 10,000? Before that, I want to clarify 1000 has 3 zeros. This is called a 1000. And they ask us 10,000. So one more 0 is there and then after 1. This is 10,000. Okay. Now, how many 0 are needed for to make 1 lakh? In this direction, you can see there are 4 zeros. I want 5. So where I should have to add 0 at last, or I will make it this as a 0 and put 1 before there. So actually now this become a 10. If I add 10, then it will become 10,000s. For this, I want to give one small example. One student have a 100 rupees note. How many notes that student has? Only 1. Second student has 10 rupees, 10 notes. How much is the total rupees second student have? Second student has 100 rupees. So both values are equal. Here 1 note of 100 rupees and here 10 note of 10 rupees. That means this is also 100 and this is also 100. Isn't it, student? 0, 0, and both are value equal. Same way, let's see for the second B question. B question is little different one. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. Don't be confused, student. International number system, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million, that means 10 lakh, and we are just now discussed a lakh as 50, and 10 lakh means one more zero. This is our 10 lakh on the left side. Now what say on the right side, students? 100,000. So first we can write 1,000, and then after 100, and 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 2 zero we can make more. Now see how many this number is showing us. This number is a lakh, 1 lakh. So what number I want to multiply with this to make a 10 lakh? Yes, very simple, 10. So second answer also 10. See student, this is a magic, huh? All answer are 10, 10, 10 only. But to understand how to make this 10, okay? Good. Third one, 1 crore. Student, 1 crore. Will you write in your rough note 1 crore? All has to write 1 crore. Let's check your answer is right or wrong. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and one more 0. Let's count. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. If you write like this way, then your answer is correct. 1 crore has 7 zeros. Good. Now we want to write in 10 lakhs format. 10 lakhs means 1 lakh has 5 0, 10 means one more 0 is there, so add 1 0. Now count, here are 7 0 and here are 6 0. So what is the remaining? Is there 1? 1 is remaining, 0. 0 means 10, multiply by 10. If you multiply this number with 10, then after only it will become a crore. Okay, 10 lakh multiply by 10, which gives you a 1 crore. This answer also crore. Okay, next D question, million. Just now same is 10 lakh. Student, here 10 lakh is that. Isn't it this 10 lakh? We are discussing this one now. Millions means 10 lakh. How to multiply with this number to get a crore? Yes, multiply by 10. Second one, last one. 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Simple, 10. So this all answer are 10, 10, 10. Answers are also you can see from here, and you got the idea how to write the numbers. The big numbers are there. You studied up to 1 stands, 100, 1,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay students, and million, billion. Million means 10 lakh. Billion means 100 millions. Question number 2 is here. See what they ask. Place commas correctly and write the numbers. A, 73 lakh 75,307. First of all, write in numbers and then put comma as our Indian system. Good. Second, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Put the comma according to the requirement. Third, 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. The answers are given here. How to write? In the place of thousand, lakh or crore, we should have to put the number. Number is not there, add 0. D, 58 million. Oh, very nice. Three numbers. 423,200. See, the number is like this way. I purposefully written like this way. In this system is an international comma. Every 3 numbers are saying with the particular numbers. 58,423,202. Last but not least, 23,30,010. So in the place of 23 we can write lakh, then after 30,000, 30, no hundreds are there, that in the place of 100 we can add 0. Easy? Or you remember this table, I already explained in previous sessions. You remember this one? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay students, this is called the abacus. Let's see question number 3. Very easy question students. Insert commas suitable and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. See, there are 4 questions. Question number 1A. Number is written 87595762. First of all, we should have to write a comma or put the comma. How to put the comma? We should have to start from right side and count 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, and then put the comma. And after 3 numbers, every 2 number having a comma. So 59, 57, comma. Now my comma work is over. Can you see the answer here? Yes, 8, 75, 95, 762. How to read out this one student? We can say ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So what is the number in the crore place? Yes, 8. So we can write 8 crore. Now read together this both number. 75 lakh. Read this both number together. 95,000. Read alone this number. 100 is alone, no beta. Be careful. 100 is alone. Other all are double. 2 numbers are there. 100 is alone. 700, and then after we can read this 2 number 62. You should have to write in words also. See the answer. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Now let's discuss for answer number 2. 85 lakh 46,283. Easy. According to Indian system students. Don't be confused. International system, every 3 number has the comma. Good. Now move for the third one. 999000046. What we have to start? Left side or right side? Yes, you all are knowing from the right side. 3 number together. Then after every 2 numbers, it's the last one is 1. Remain is the last one. No, don't do put any other numbers. Huh? According to question, we have to give the answer. Now check out the things. If, see, I will give you one trick to you. Check out the first number. After first number, how many numbers are there? There are 2, 4, 7 number are there. And we discussed just now. A 1 crore has how many zeros? 7. Good answer. 1 lakh? 5 zeros. Good. So now see, what is this number? 9. And after how many numbers are there? 7. So what we have to say? How many crores are there? Yes, 9 crores. 9 crore. Now 9's work over. Whose turn is coming over here? This one, 99. This 99, check out how many numbers behind them? 5 numbers. And just now we discussed the 5 numbers who are having? Yes, lakh. So read together, 99 lakh. Okay, now regarding this one, this is the thousand place. How many thousands are there? 0. Don't write 0,000. Don't be crazy. 0 has no value. 0, ande ka fanda. Now regarding the 100, that is also 0. So will you write 0, 100? No, never. Now who is left there last? 46. Read out 46. Here, be careful. Out of 10 students, 9 students make a mistake of 46 spelling. Yes, I see from your rough note. You are also making the same mistake. What you are writing? Can I write here? Yes, 46. Isn't it? But this spelling is wrong. What is the correct spelling? F-O-R-T-Y. Student, be careful. 46. F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. Will you make mistake again? No. Okay. Let's move for the last question. 9 crore 84 lakh 32,700 and 01. Don't write 01, only 1. Huh? Good. Question number 4. Write or insert commas suitable and write the names according to the international system of numeration. Very simple. First number is written here. I will take out 7892192. Very simple, international, nothing to remember. Just put the three numbers comma. Baat finished. And whatever the number is written here, after 6 number are there, that means a million. Million means 10 lakh. So what the number are here in our example A? 78 million. Okay, now 3 numbers together, read out. Good. 921. And how many numbers are left here? 3. And 3 number means thousands. 3 zeros are in thousand place. Remember this thing. So 921,000 and at last 92. No hundreds are there. Check the answer. 78,921,092 only. Can you see the answer, student, here? And see here the commas. 3 number comma. Start from right side. See, 3 numbers are here. Then after 3 number and whatever is left, 1 or 2. 3 का group बनाओ बेटा. All of you. easy. And there are 6 numbers, that means a million. So what the million place, student? This is the million place. 7 million. What is the place of thousand? This is the 452,000. And what is here? 483. Isn't it? Good. See here mistake is there, student. You not clarify. Here is 2 is there. क्वेश्चन में 2 है बेटा, आंसर में गलत है. कोई बात नहीं. 283. नेक्स्ट 99,985,102. 102 is written here directly. Last 48,49,831. Is it written here with ones? Okay, I will make it little small size. Now we can see properly. Here was the corrections. This is a 2. Good. I hope so you understood exercise 1.1 all the questions and you found the solution also. You remember these things and take care, be safe. Thank you. Have a good day.